What is the weirdest thing you caught yourself doing after your brain's autopilot misfired? 1. I went to the backyard to bring the dog into the house. Autopilot moved my feet about 10 steps out the door as I told the dog to come in. Then my brain caught up and remembered the dog was in bed, and I was, in fact, approaching a black bear that was eating watermelon rinds from the trash can. 2. I picked up my toothbrush to brush my teeth, but I also had the urge to pee. So naturally, I tossed my toothbrush into the toilet. 3. As a teenager, I worked at McDonald's. My McDonald's was 24 hours, and during the summer, I worked the overnight shift. My sleep schedule got all messed up. One evening, my parents woke me up for dinner. I zombie walked to the table, sat down, and my dad asked me to say grace. I bowed my head and said, "Thank you for choosing McDonald's. May I take your order?" 4. I sat at an intersection in suburban Palo Alto at 11 p.m., patiently waiting for the stop sign to change. 5. I tried to get into a random person's car because I thought it was my friend's. The person whose car I was attempting to break into was understandably terrified. 6. I was jogging late at night when a guy reached out his hand as I passed. I high-fived him. Turns out he was hailing a taxi. 8. I drove 20 minutes to my old house after I moved, just zoning out. 9. I went to put a brand new roll of toilet paper on the holder and instead plopped it into the toilet. 10. I took the metro home, then realized I drove to work. That was a long night. 12. I walked into the bathroom at work to pee, and instead of unzipping my fly, I unbuttoned my shirt, took it off, then took off my undershirt as well. I realized I was standing shirtless at a urinal.